Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS with another video of Navratri special. So today we are making a very simple platter with buckwheat bread and potato curry. To make the curry we require boiled and mashed potato, clarified butter, chopped tomato, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander powder, homemade garam masala, cumin seeds, cumin powder and some salt. Add rock salt if you are fasting. Now add clarified butter to a heated pan. Add cumin seeds and chopped green chilies. Saute both the things very well. Add in chopped tomatoes and saute them till they are nice and soft. Add some salt, cumin powder and coriander powder into the pan. Saute all the ingredients till they start releasing oil. That's when you know they are done. Add boiled potatoes and mix well. Add some water and mix everything well. Now cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix the gravy and break the potatoes into smaller pieces with the help of a spatula. Keep adding more water and cook it open. Add some garam masala, which is optional, and mix everything well. Add in chopped coriander and saute till the gravy becomes nice and thick. And now you are ready to serve the curry. You can have it normally with wheat breads, but today we are making it with buckwheat or Kutu ki Poori. For this you need boiled and grated potatoes, buckwheat flour, some salt and water if required. Mix the grated potatoes with buckwheat flour and some salt. You have to knead it into a semi-soft dough Add more buckwheat flour if required. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a small and round flat bread. Use some dry flour to avoid sticking. By rolling on a board, you will get a thin and crispy bread. If you want it a bit soft, then grease your palms and shape it between them. Do not worry about the cracks on the circumference. Heat some oil in a wok and deep fry the breads till they are nice, crispy and brown from both the sides. Now assemble your platter with potato curry, curd, coriander chutney and buckwheat puris. Please try the recipe and give us the reviews in the comment section. Do hit the bell icon to stay updated and please subscribe to our channel for many more upcoming videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.